Good morning, grade 5. I have a website here that I'm leaving for you today. I just want to show you a few things about it. So the first one is plane geometry, which means anything that can be drawn flat on a piece of paper, only using one plane, like it says here. Okay, so it kind of goes over the dimensions. So 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, and 3-dimensional objects. And it does a whole bunch of 2D shapes. And we're going to be focusing on quadrilaterals. So we're going to come back to this link here. So if you want a refresher about perimeter or area, a general drawing tool. If you want to learn anything about circles, a refresher about angles, and how to use a protractor. This might be helpful for us to go look at later. I won't go to it today, but this is a good website. Okay, in our last unit, we're going to be doing transformations. So we're going to be back over here. If you want to know what a transformation is, go take a look at rotation, reflection, translation, and translation. Okay, and I don't know, there's just it's kind of fun to learn on this website. So go take a look. I'm going to go back up to the quadrilaterals because that's what we're talking about now. So we're going to go to that page. That's the second website that I gave you. And it gives us a really good overview about what is a quadrilateral. Don't look at this weird one here. This is a complicated one. But all of these are quadrilaterals that you should know the name of by now. For instance, this one here is a square. This one here is a trapezoid. And this one here, it's a kite, but instead of it being pointy out this way, it comes in the other way. It looks more like a dart. Okay, so this is interactive. So you pick what kind it is, and then you can make it as big and small and twist it around. So it's good for playing. And then you can check the angles, and it does tell you what angles are on the middle and how long the sides are. Okay, so if you click buttons over here, it talks about the properties. These are the attributes that we have been talking about as well. About quadrilaterals, everything has 4 sides. There are 4 corners. And when you measure the inside angles, they all add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so all the types of quadrilaterals like we talked about yesterday. And then it goes through each one. So just take a look around this website, and I'm going to try to find another worksheet for you to do as well. But this is a good website, so don't lose this link. Go and play with some math. Okay, bye.